For this problem, it says Taki and Connor invest $20 in drink mix, sugar, and paper cups for the lemonade stand. After 5 hours, they've made $50 in profits. Assume that they sell their drinks at the same rate all day. Write an equation for their profit for the day from the lemonade stand in the form y equals mx plus b. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with that. All right. So we need to look what you want to do when you have a word problem is go to a table. Usually that's the best starting place. We're going to take the information that we have from the problem. We know that they started out with $20. So when they're starting out, if this right here is their hours, and this, the Y, the output, is going to be the profits. If they're starting out and it costs them $20, then their profits are actually going to be a negative $20. They haven't made any money yet. It's only cost them $20. Then it says after 5 hours, they've made $50 in profit. So if you've made $50 in profit, that means you've made $50 over and above how much you've spent. So instead of putting 50 there, which you actually want to put is 70, $70 would give you $50 of profit because the first 20 went to paying yourself back for your investment. So now looking at that right here, you want to find the rate of change. So from negative 20 to 70 gives you 90. And from 0 to 5 gives you 5. So if you take 90, change in y, over change in x, 90 divided by 5, that's going to give you 18. And what that means is that they're making approximately $18 per hour. It's pretty lucrative lemonade stand. So now there's two ways to go about finding the rest of the equation, the y-intercept. The first way is we can recognize the shortcut and see that they actually gave us the y-intercept right there. So technically you have y equals 18x minus 20. However, if they hadn't given us the y-intercept, what you can always do is you can plug in your rate of change that you found and the x point and the y point and then solve for b to get your equation. But since they went ahead and gave it to us, I'm going to go ahead and skip past that part. The next thing says if their stand continues to sell from 1 to 8 that day, what is their profit for the day? So from 1 to 8 is 7 hours. And like we said up here, x is our hours. Here, I'll label this real quick. X is hours, y is profit. Our rate of change is 18, which is $18 per hour. And our y-intercept is negative 20, meaning we started at negative $20 in profit. So now going to our equation, we have y equals 18 times 7 minus 20, which if you plug that in, 18 times 7 minus 20, that ends up giving you $106 in profit.